Hi guys, welcome back to EQSIS. Myself Murugan, I'm here to share our latest initiative. Before taking you into this, let me appreciate each one of you because you guys have taken serious efforts to become a professional stock trader. I'm sure you must be one step ahead of others as you have taken steps to learn. Now you are taking one more step to pursue to become a professional stock trader. Thanks for choosing EQSIS, and it's our pleasure to have you as our valuable client. We would like to continue to serve you with our best efforts. Okay, this initiative, we had conducted a lot of training program. You must be one of our participant, I hope, which takes people right from basics to an knowledgeable trader. So every people who attend our training program carries a good smile and confidence while leaving us. But we usually get a lot of feedbacks, and we are kind of people who work on our feedbacks. Uh, One fine day, we have realized some of our clients or the workshop participants still need our support to practice the analysis better. So this initiative is meant for those who wanted to practice with us. Say you have already completed a program with us, now you wanted to apply those concepts in real time, and while applying this concept, if you need any support, you don't need to worry about it. We are here to provide you the support till you need it. So it requires 30 minutes on daily basis, otherwise 2 hours on weekly basis. It does not require too much time in one shot. All we need is 15 to 30 minutes on daily basis. If you can spend, that's more than enough. At any point of time, you can actually do it. But all we need is the consistency. The most interestingly, we really need the determination to complete this task without fail. It means it is not like as and when you like doing this. You can do on your convenient time, but choose that convenient time, do it on repeated basis, and ensure that you're committed on this particular time. Because this is not just a mere practice. We have taken a lot of efforts in making this session, and this will ensure like you will be in the position to practice stock trading professionally. Kindly be patient to watch this video. Do not skip or fast forward it. Okay, it's time to share our latest initiative, but let me tell you about our prerequisite. You really need that commitment and determination to become a professional stock trader to in fact watch this video, or in fact to sign up or the practice session. If you guys were just looking for the markets like this and you came here only for the sake of knowledge after completing program, it is more than enough, I hope. But if you really wanted to practice, and this activity will enable or connect people who wanted to work together. Number 2, you must be a participant, you must be EQSIS trained person, and you should be comfortable in language English to communicate, because in most of the cases the people who gonna work with you, the people who gonna connect with you are gonna communicate in English. Ensure that you understand English and you have to write in English, not necessarily grammatically correct always, but you really need to understand English if someone speaks or write, and you should be in the position to respond at least. Let me tell you once again, the determination is what must when it comes to this. Okay, first we understand why do we need, what made us to make this initiative. In order to become an independent trader, or to take a wise trading decision, or to trade with confidence, or to overcome the fear of market loss, you need to have a knowledge, and you have to acquire this knowledge by attending some training program or reading this. But you people have chosen EQSIS. We are happy that you have chosen us, but we have delivered that knowledge to you. It means we just gave you the logics to understand various concepts. You people might have completed 3 full day training program wherein you might have learned a lot of concept. Now it's time to start applying it. So after acquiring knowledge, you need to practice it, and you have to apply those practiced concepts in actual markets. So what actually we plan to do is, the concept whatever you people are actually practicing, We have to test it in actual market as many times as possible to encounter failures and success. So this process would make you a fearless as well as knowledgeable trader, but it requires one more activity to become an unbiased trader. So I hope you guys know the reason to make money, and people who make money, it's simply because of knowledge and discipline. So hence this platform help you to interact and each and every participant and enables you to take a collective and group decisions. This makes you to take a rational decision which are knowledgeable, which are applicable, which are unbiased as well. Let me tell you how all these things gonna work. Okay, here is where I'm gonna begin to explain our latest initiative. Okay, we have developed a new learning cum practice platform which is completely web-based and online, which are exclusively available only for EQSIS trained people. This enables you to learn, practice, discuss, and in fact find a qualified members. You can actually ensure, like, if any other than you who are interested in doing analysis, you can actually spot them, you can join with them, you can work together, and you people can identify stocks which are unbiased as well. So probably we have 3 segments to practice analysis. Number 1, which is a 10 days activity to theoretically recall. Say you have completed a program recently or a long back, you really need to practice this theoretical. You really need to undergo this to connect or to ensure that you have knowledge as on today. Say you might have completed a program about 2-3 months back. Now you wanted to practice it. Now it's time to start theoretically doing those activity. Say if you have already did this activity, now you took a break. Probably now you can actually take up this activity but do it in a different fashion. I'll make you guys to understand this. So let me first take you through our platform now. Look at the screen. Now I'm just opening the browser. First, if you are interested, you might be, if you after completing program, you will be getting invitation mail from us. Say the moment you show interest in practicing with us, you will be getting invitation after checking your the venue, the date you have at the program. After being discussed with you, you will be getting one invitation mail through email. Kindly go to that and just click that link and then sign up yourself. It's gonna ask you name and you have to create password. The moment you sign up that, you will be getting your own platform where you can start practicing it. I've already signed up, so I straight away gonna log in. Ensure that, I would like to underline here, while signing up, it's gonna ask you to verify your email address. Kindly go back to the again email, and you will be getting, after sign up, you will be getting a verification email. Kindly click that and verify your account. Then you come to this website which is called EQSIS.com/pro. Then on top of it you can find something called login. If you click login, you can find it's going to ask your username, password. Kindly type your username and just press the password here. Then probably here it's a time to sign in. It's take about a few seconds for you to get loaded. The moment it loads, you could see that your profile is up here. You could find your username, and probably you could see like a lot of things here. Let me tell you one thing, this is not just theoretically gonna type it. If you're really interested, if you strongly believe in us, I just want you people to follow this. This will gonna take you a different perception on 30th day. Okay, now you might have completed a program, but probably you might have forget a lot of concept. It's time to recall. We have newly created a recently updated 16 videos uploaded here. Kindly check here this menu. You could find the videos. These videos are available only for our logged in clients. So ensure that first you log in, then you come here and kindly scroll down. Kindly scroll down. I'm just keep insisting you people to scroll down here. Let this page get loaded and kindly scroll down. you could find a lot of videos here. The basics of stock market, basics of stock trading, business versus gambling, and getting started. Here you can find the basics of analysis, basics of technical analysis, Dow theory, equity, futures, options, the trading instruments. And we have separate videos for double top, double bottom, head and shoulder, flag pattern, triangle. And likewise, we have a dedicated videos for each and every candlesticks patterns. And we do have the slots available for gap and indicators. It means we have specially created videos to recall the program properly. So all you have to do is, before start doing those activity, first look at these videos and try to recollect the concept from the base. Then keep yourself available for 3 segment. The first 10 days, kindly click here the once again menu. You could see learn day 1 to day 10 activity. Just click this plus button, enlarge it. You could find a lot of activities here, which is day 1, this is day 2, this futures and options is on day 3, and basics of price movement is on day 4. It means we have a 10 days module here. Every day you have a different activities need to be practiced. Number 1, these activities is not necessarily need to be completed on one day itself. It means if you find only about 30 minutes of your time, but I'm not able to answer all the questions, if you click any one particular day, so probably you're opening day 1, which is day 1 module, allow the charts to be opened. The moment it is opened, you could see a lot of questions like what is stock market, why do we need stock market, what is the difference between primary market and secondary market. So a lot of questions you could find. Ensure that you will be getting into it one by one. Just open it a new link. Kindly open this. So this is how you actually start doing activity. What is stock market seems to be very silly. Probably you might have answered already in a different portal. Whatever it is, if it is some time back, once again nothing wrong in posting answer by scrolling down here. You can actually post your answers here. If you find it is a bit theoretical to write the answers, do not do this with laziness. Kindly post answer. But if you find, no Murugan, instead of posting answer, I would like to check how other people have actually responded. If you find this person has responded, if all this, no, what is stock market? The market is the market and shares of publicly held companies are issued and traded and exchanged over the counter market. So she has written something. If you find anything need to be improved on this, if you would like to give any response by which it can support her, all you can do is you can actually, I just want everybody to look at my mouse now. There is something called reply above her answer. You can click this reply button, you can respond to her. Look at this, Mr. Vinod Kumar has responded. It is same as all other markets, but the products here is different. It is quite interesting to know. So if I like this answer, I can actually click this reply button, allow this page to be loaded, okay, and it's gonna, no, you will be getting this place here. Say, yes, I also agree to it. So you can say, you can comment about it, you can correct other people activity, you can agree other people work here. Why am I doing this? Because I'm sure now you may not know the importance of other member relationship with you, but having completed 30 days activity, this entire the activities, the entire efforts we're gonna take become successful only if you have lot of interactive, committed, passionate people. So from day 1 onwards, I would ask you to interact with other people, start responding to other people activities, and if anyone asking you questions, kindly respond to them also. If you do that, people understand your interest level and you can find other people interest level here. So the activity here is, on every day you could find lot of questions here. If you are unable to answer all the questions in one day, nothing wrong, you can take 3-4 days to complete it. But every question you have to answer one. You have to identify one reply made by one participant which is correct and mark them as excellent answer. And if you find anything wrong, you tell them there is a wrong and you correct them. In turn, they're gonna respond to you and you can also optimize your responses. So if you complete 3 questions today, then get back remaining 3 questions next day and keep doing like this. If you complete all this day 1 activity, then you can go for a day 2 activity here, which is basics of stock trading, futures and options, basics of price movement, one by one. Let me tell you once again, it is theoretical. We know it is theoretical, but you really need to show that commitment to complete this. Then without knowing this, you cannot get into stock trading to make money. If you really wanted to get into stock trading without knowing this, it means you wanted to trade without knowledge. Naturally, you end up losing money. So we request you, because we appreciate your interest in learning as well as started doing this activity, ensure that although it is theoretical, set alerts on your cell phones, keep doing it on regular basis and complete this with some passion. So the task is very simple. First, answer the question. Number 2, every day, every question, you have to appreciate one member based on their answers. Number 3, at least you have to correct one person. If someone is making mistake, I'm sure like someone gonna write in some different contest, it can be other way around. So correct the other people, by which you get other people interest. And if you really need any clarification from anyone's answer, you can actually do that. How to do, I already said, appreciating or commenting about it, you have to reply the button above their answers. If I want to say, Mr. Hari's answer need to be corrected, then I have to choose reply button on top of his. And kindly click that, allow this page to be loaded, then you will be given with the reply box, answer it. I hope this is clear. If you find anything a problem in doing day 1, day 2, day 3 activity, rewind it, watch it from about last 4-5 minutes once again. So more you interact, others will start interact with you, so that you can find right and active members to do analysis at your later stage. So if you complete the first 10 days activity one by one, probably if you complete 10-day module, now it's time to start practicing analysis. So by this time, day 10, you would be theoretically strong. Hope you should gain knowledge. By this time, you should be theoretically fit with all the criterias. Like, how to qualify double top. By this time, you would have answered and you would have corrected so many people with respect to conditions, how to spot it. Some people, by mistake, they miss some conditions. You would have corrected them. In turn, they would have responded you. By this time, you would be having some set of people you are following and other people are following you. But I'm sure, like confident, this time you should be theoretically fit if you complete day 10. If you're not confident, keep doing the 10 days activity without being strong. Theoretically, you cannot go to the day 11 activity. If you're completing day 10, now it's time to expand this and choose Dow theory, which is the day 11th activity. See, this spend one day for one analysis. It means for Dow theory, it is only one day. If you really wanted to know doing the next set of analysis, double top, double bottom, it is on different day. So on day 1, don't do the double bottom and double top. You focus only on Dow theory alone. And answer the question as instructed. Okay, so what you have to do, how to respond it. The instructions are given here. Kindly open the instruction here. If you open the instructions, I've clearly given how to do with the response here. First, you log into your analytical tool, open the charts, view company by company to identify Dow theory alone. Check for the criteria. I hope you know how to do the Dow theory. First, you open charts, take 2 years. This is an example. And then you have to identify tops and bottom, qualify it as a top and bottom, then higher top and lower top or whatever it is. Then check for the sequence. The moment you have a higher bottom, higher top, you qualify it as a bullish with volume. If it is with volume, then you qualify it as a bullish scenario. Mark this using MS Paint or wherever you convenient it. How to do, you have to find the way to get it and save as an image in your local system. Then after doing all this analysis, now you come here, scroll down probably you can find a lot of other people who are already forecasting based on it. You could see like Ms. Bhavani has forecasted Tata Steel bearish below 230 and stop loss is 260 and target is 200. So she has given a very clear actionable trading plan. If you find interesting, you can actually get into it, you can comment about it. But before comment about it, first you do your activity, then you can come here. To do this activity, what you have to do is scroll down. You could find a topic here. So the topic should be actionable. It means the company you have did analysis, write the company name first, a Bank of Baroda. Then what is the action you identified at top? I mean, it is a form, it is given you entry and what is the target and what is the stop loss. And here you can start writing about the reason why you are choosing this. This is your practice session. Here even you can actually postmortem it, identify a pick where it has given you profit, identify as per condition something given you loss also. Keep posting one by one. It means for a Tata Steel head and higher top, higher bottom here. There is other company, for that you have to post once again. So for every topic you have to post at least 2 to 3 opinion. Do not post only one and moving to the next one, because with respect to Dow theory you're gonna spend one full day. So keep posting it. After posting your views, do not forget to mention the topic tag here if it is a company name, and ensure it is a bullish or bearish. Keep writing it here. And if you really want other people response via email, then click here so that other people who are gonna respond it, you will be getting it through email and you can actually follow it also. And choose the file here and ensure that you will be taking the saved image. Now the analysis, whatever you save, kindly take that image and you post it here. And you can choose whatever the image you have selected, you can actually start posting it here. After doing all this activity, you can actually do submit. So after completing your activity, you could see your analysis will come on top with your name about the minutes back. Then the next activity, what you have to do is go and check one by one how other people did it. It is not whatever you are doing is correct. You really have to wait and see how other people, what is their opinion, how other people are doing it. I really want you people to comment about that also. Whether you find it interesting, you say it is interesting, good view. If you find anything need to be added, you can add. Some people say there is a good volume, but if you are not seeing a good volume, you can ask that clarification why there is no volume. Because she said a stock forms a sequence of lower top, lower bottom with a bearish according to Dow theory. Short position can be created below 230 with a higher volume. So probably let me check and open it how it actually works. Yes, it is forming, but I would really ask her to write one thing clear. Tell me it is a lower top or lower bottom. Keep adding this also. And tell me where exactly. See, this bottom and top seems to be very nearby. So I just want this clarifications. So whatever clarification I would like to give, I would probably write it here. This would help those people to optimize their view. In turn, they would start commenting about you. And if you really find she is really doing well, you can click her profile and you can go to her, visit her profile, how her responses is. You can see she was keep on doing a lot of activities. She gave her views on idea about 52 minutes back or 1 hour back. She gave opinion with respect to ACC, and it seems she is very active in doing it. If you find she is very active in doing it, you can add as your friend. And if you need any clarifications, you can actually comment at the same level here. And if you would like to send any message to her, you can actually click here and you can actually send a message. If you click add, then your request has to be accepted. She gonna see how active you are, then she might accept your friendship. So it means you people gonna form a team. Likewise, you keep continuing this on for the next 25 days, for next 15 days. Once again I tell you, these activities really need a lot of commitment. People can make money by doing work at home, but you really need to work at home at least to make money out of stock market. It means without having knowledge, without taking any efforts to make money, it is not a game. It is not a place where we spend time unusually. We just wanted people to focus and keep doing by step, and we together we can actually start working together. We all can become an independent trader by working together. So that is the objective of this platform. So if you probably ensure that the interaction level is high, here you have to respond any questions asked by other members about your analysis, and meanwhile you have to check and other member activity. Do support their activities by adding your views. It means if you find anyone posting, you have to get into it. It is possible, if it is possible, at least respond 4 to 5 people in a day. So that will enable, this platform is very interactive. In turn, this platform give you a lot of things to you. So as committed, I've delivered 3 full day program. As committed, I've started initiating something to practice also. Now if you start practicing as I commit, as I instruct you, 10 days theoretically make you too strong. Next 15 days will make you to get lot of people views because you are watching everybody. And if you start interact and respond, you get lot of response in turn because you may have a good set of relations. That will get a various scenarios and you will get experienced end of day 25. You really need to earn some active members to do group activity from day 25. From day 25, you have to join a group with your friends to do analysis better. It means if you complete 25th day activity, just let us know, just contact me. My name is Murugan. I hope you must be aware about me. And just do send me email asking for the further activity. How it all works, completed my program, theoretically practicing it, actually applying from day 10 to day 25, then you will be taking independent decision from day 25 to day 30 here. So for that you have to first create a group, otherwise you have to join in a group, and then you have to understand what exactly your role is. Say there are 50 companies, you will be given role to do analysis only for 5 companies. It means you're gonna get remaining 45 company views from other people, but you have responsibility in doing analysis for those 5 company and you have to respond it. So the task will be allocated to you only if you complete 25 days activities. By then only we understand that you are actually committed and you are not just about interested, you really wanted to move towards a professional way. I'm sure like if you complete day 25, by that time it becomes habitual. We don't want you people to show only mere interest. We want you to people to take it serious actions to move forward. If you reach this level, you have almost completed your practice session. Now henceforth, this platform will give you a group activity. So you with your friends can form a private group and decide what you want to do, and you can start discussing about charts once in a week or once in a month, and you people can share views and you people can collectively take decisions. This is actually available. So that is the reason why I request you people to start trade with knowledge and discipline. So if you complete it, Murugan, what is the benefit we get out of it? You can in fact become analyst or informed trader. You can take unbiased trading decision because the decisions are taken collectively as a team, and you can take it from a lifetime perspective. As long as you are in the market, you can actually keep doing it from a lifetime perspective, and this platform is at free of cost for you people. Developing habit of professional stock analysis. Let me tell you one thing, professional stock analysis is not without efforts. You really need to spend some efforts. Confident and successful trading community will be formed, and you are also a member of that, and you will be associating only if someone is actually committed and he will be successful and confident. It means over a period of time, this EQSIS Pro will carry only a confident people with us. At last, we are confident to overcome 3 main hurdles. Number 1, panic, greed, and the biasness what we have with respect to trading decisions. So let's work together for the betterment of our community. Kindly pay attention to it. Be committed in doing activity. Don't be excited or don't be nervous while doing activity. Once again, you don't need to spend too much time on daily basis. Spend only 15 minutes. Keep it on your note. and do it on consistent basis. Thank you. Happy trading. I really believe in you people taking it forward. Ensure that you do it on consistent basis. Any required, any help, any assistance, keep calling me. My phone number is 9500077790. If you find this video interesting, you can share it to a lot of people. But this instruction is meant only for the people who have completed a training program with us. You can find a phone number which is 9500077790. If you want to get trained through us, you can visit our website, which is EQSIS.com, www.eqsis.com. Thank you. Happy trading.